Hi, this is Meir. I'm going to do my recap. Today is Friday, October 4th. I had a good day today, so I'm going to share with you what I did. So SRPT made my watch list. It was, it gapped up like about 5% or 6% or something. So this stock has been, if you look in the long run, it was up at 157. It came all the way down here. It was beaten down all the way to 72. Now here today in the morning, on this reversal, it popped up on news. I believe they had some kind of trial approval. It's a pharmaceutical. You can see it's a therapeutics. So it gapped up. So I was long biased, and I took this right away, right out of the gate. I love the range pre-market. It had very good range here pre-market. As you can see, it had a range between 83 and 86. I had a $3 range, so I figured even more actually. 79, yeah, so I had a very good range. I like this, like that. I don't have to take that much shares to make money. I could take a small size and still make some money. So right out of the open in the first minute, I saw it's popping up. It could not break 86. It came down, I didn't even see it below 86, but I guess it did go below 86. And it was here, it was holding at 86. I saw the time of sales was flashing a lot of green. So I went in, it got filled at 86.24, I believe, and I had my stop at 86 flat. If it broke 86, I would get out. And here it popped up to the pre-market high, I believe this is. One of these two is the pre-market high. Yeah, here's the pre-market high, 86.80. It broke that to 87. Took off some more here at 87 as I saw it didn't continue. Because usually, this was interesting, because usually when I get these breakouts, especially on this price range, when I get it early on, it's usually not like a grind up like this was. It's usually like just breaks up with someone just dumps or sells or buys a tremendous amount of shares, so that drives the price up very strongly. This wasn't the case, so I was afraid that it's going to come back down, so I took off here just in case another partial 87. Then it pulled back, so on the way up here, it cracked 87 towards the $0.50, 87.50. And then you had this breakout again, 87.50-ish. I took off a little more here. I was a little bit impatient with these partials. As I said, usually I get the breakout. This was more like a grind, a trend up, which is more typical of later in the day, not right out of the gate. So I wasn't that patient with it. Here at 88, I took off more. I took off a little more when it broke through 88.20, and then I got all out when it broke the $0.50 here at 88.50. It did go higher, not that much higher. Yeah, it went up to 89.30 a little bit. Then here, this is what I was afraid of. This is what I didn't want to get trapped in. I didn't want to get trapped in this tremendous drop that just happened out of like really quickly. So this was my trade, my only trade, one and done. I'm glad it worked out the way it did. Thank you for watching. Any feedback is appreciated, and I hope you are having a very good day.